Hi everyone, I was looking lately for a reusable grenade for AIRSOFT. Looked at a few things on the market, and one of them that I come across was this gr40 reusable grenade. Just let it off, which the video will be on the end of this video. It's louder than what I thought. It is a lot louder than what I thought. It's really easy to use. A normal pin, safety. I said it's easy to use. Then, as you let go of the presser, that's because I held it. That comes flying off, which releases a pin inside, which if you take it apart, comes in 3 parts. First part is put a cap, a little percussion cap. These are about £1 each, but they're reusable. You can take them back to the shop and I'll change it again for you. And then you got the actual bang itself, fits into the bottom, and that fits back in. Like that. Top goes on top of the detonator. And I've found the best way. Pull the hammer right back, slip that in goes the pin. And that's as simple as it is to change it, to reload it. I paid £50 for this, and then, as I say, it's about £1 a bang, but they do get a little bit cheaper when you can start reusing them at the shop. I hope that helps some people out, because when I look for a video there weren't a lot to choose from on YouTube. But anyway, there you go.